I'm for rizzle me sickles. I'm tough. Shelly again? Blue, 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 blue. We got Shelly again. Oh no. He just got aggroed. Shelly just, not Shelly. We got Shelly again. This is not tough. Gang, this is not tough. Help, 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 help. This is not tough. I am actually so sorry, Tisha. I pretty much just... Band-Aid! 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 Blue! Blue! I'm a finna full out your name. Blue, Band-Aid. Finn, no.
Where?
At Broken. Did you just die?
No. Where's Broken?
Over here.
I'm about to die, I'm about to die, I'm about to
Get over here then! I can't believe we got Shelly 2 floors, bro. I finna crash.
Don't have to play the experience game.
Go away, Shelly. You give trauma. You forking failed a skill check.
No, we didn't.
Then why did Shelly come over here?
Oh, I just failed.
You moron.
Oh, I just failed again. No!
Imagine. Griffer! Griffer! Greffer!
No, I'm griefing you for what you did the last time.
What did I do?
Last night. You griefed me for 1 heart.
I did not grief you last night.
Yeah.
When was this?
Okay.
Oh, I griefed you. I got you, Finn.
No, you literally griefed me last night.
Fa. No. I got memory loss.
Giving me brush up.
Oh, you're talking about when I was Yada. That was 2 days ago.
No, that was last night.
That was not last night.
Where'd you have to go?
Shelly's at Ellie.
Back at 1 heart.
Why do we still have confusion?
Party at the fish
Down a cupping. Nah, bro, Weezer's better. Weezer. Fabrezer. You're so tough. Fabrezer. Toughness. Kill yourself, Blitzen. I hope you die in a fire.
They're trying to get Glitchin.
Listen up.
You can't understand anything. Even a med kit. Please. I'm so low on health.
Did you not buy the heals from like the starting of the round?
I did.
I'm gonna waste my ability on you. Why is no one babysitting?
I'm not babysitting, so I'm not one heart. One wrong move and I'm over. I'm talking.
Gang, we're gonna die because no one's babysitting.
No, I'm not.
I don't know whose machine this is, but I'm taking it.
My machine's right here.
Okay, I'll protect you because you're tough. Abilities on cooldown. No, I pressed the wrong sticker.
I'm looking, I'm one heart.
Searching around. I think you meant you got this.
Nothing for you.
No, here for you means like, oh, here. This is for you. Where's last? Get away from Blitzen. Gav. And who? And AOL.
Us.
I hate you, Fiend.
Glitchin's the elevator.
Glitzen's that Ellie? That was you.
I'm gonna go play my game because you said we could play it.
This is not tough. Okay, Finn's at 1, Tisha's at 2, I'm at 4. Everyone here is buns. Tisha is just one freaking person. They will be fine, unless they're buns. Really, really buns. Don't worry, bro. If you're very pro, then you're very pro. Oh, freak you, Dandy. I hope you choke on a piece of cement. And go to hell after, bro. Like, go kill yourself. Go hang yourself on the rope and go jump off a bridge, you freaking. No way, you're gonna be the end of this run. That is not tough. Louie, kill yourself. You rotten balloon. You rotten undead balloon. If I kick you, you will pop. Because you're a balloon. And I will pop you. I will fill your room with thumbtacks. I'll become Shrimpo and send you death threats.
No.
Burp. Burps loudly.
Bad babies.
I'm so tough. You're the smartest one I've actually. Why would you just like stand there?
Next year we're allowed to have our phones. They don't care really.
Tisha? 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 You couldn't make it one more floor? You couldn't make it one more floor, you freaking moron. I'm gonna end this video. You know, I'm surfer hopping. I'll stay for a hot minute, Danny, because you are buns. You are so buns. I hope you die in a fire. You got this, gang. I hate this team. Matchmaking sucks, and the reason it sucks is I don't have no chat, as you can clearly see. I hate parental controls. I hope it dies in a fire. Tisha, and a brush up. Yeah.
I'm having my first ever 2-day sleepover at my house, bro.
Nice.
I'm scared, bro.
I'm so tough. I'm gonna start distracting.
The last time I talked to Kira in person was like the second quarter. My phone hurt me, mommy. My phone just freaking assaulted me like a chalupa. Twin, can I tell you something?
Sure.